This is Music Phil, and this is Yardstyle I Presents, and we are at Willie's That Room.
On the TV screen and the news all bout them a plan for destroy and a plan for wipe out. Some already microchip and barcode. Still I say I in a Zion Rasta man step out. Because to see the sign you're living in this ain't a joke. Repatriates and it's almost who they will go strong to you not out me out. You know see it, be them still I say I be them. Them come up a boy now no keep them. Emmanuel no one see them next week. Be them still I say I be them. Black Marcus I be them. Now you bring it chant. Now you bring it chant. Well time up is real. Man can say a man he know. So me chance it feel later. I no trust no flesh the whole of them a play a hater. Total destruction the worst case scenario. Try no get caught in a them barrio. Almighty Selassie, I'm more powerful than them. Digital, analog, he said, the trend, the only king. We're crowned with a queen. Mighty King Selassie on the battlefield. Selassie, I beat them. Black Marcus, I beat them. Them come up a boy, now we no keep them. Them come up a boy. Yes, Selassie, I beat them. Black Marcus, I beat them. Now you bring the chance, yeah. Oh, yes. Whoa, 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 yes. Bring rebel, whoa, yeah. Sweet reggae music, yeah. I can't refuse it. Oh, no, no. You know, see it. Can we withstand the test of time? Mankind has lost their mind. We need to come back home. Come back home. What you think is wrong is the next man's right. Remember that the darkness is your brother's light. Selfish ways causing us to fight. Wake up, mankind. Whatever happened to forgiving? You keep telling me that I'm sinning, I'm not living like you're living. Cultural imperialism. We keep fighting a war when nobody is winning. We losing sight of the bigger picture. The rich is getting richer while the poor is getting poorer. Question I'm asking to your preacher. How come the mask is getting bigger? Yes, Selassie, I beat them. Black Marcus, I beat them. Them come and go, but you know, keep them. Beat them, Selassie, I beat them. Beat them, Black Marcus, I beat them. Them come and go, but you know, keep them. Emmanuel, no one see them next week. This is reggae music. The music, and I can't refuse it, Lord.
This is a peek into Lutan Fyah full band rehearsal for his upcoming tour.
Most times I rest the fire. Yes, Selassie, Lutan Fyah, boy. You know, see, Selassie, I mightier than them all. And whosoever fight the king shall fall. Emmanuel mightier than them all. Hey, none of them can go round and stand. Black Marcus, you're mightier than them. Lord, 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 oh. Hey, and I'm seeing a doomsday. With him rebel boy, you know see it. Hey, I said look at them, but one some. Pull up. Yeah, ready. Give thanks to life, oh yeah. Give thanks to life, oh yeah. Here they are. Here Selassie, I'm mightier than them all. And whosoever find the king shall fall. Emmanuel mightier than them all. Hey, none of them can go round, Lord. Black Marcus, you're mightier than them all. Hey, 1/10 and a small mouse lad. And I'm seeing a doomsday. Oh yeah. Rhythm rebel boy, when I see it, hey guys, say look at them, but one some ground. Now run this ones out them face and kick them down. When them see the big game and tell them no run. Fire with the bone, tell them to get out of town. Hey, rhythm rebel, go way on the 0 pound. Hey, you get away from the brush on the home. Hey, trying to beat out on your skin. Hey, you better stay man home. Say I say I'm mightier than them. And whosoever find the king shall fall. Black Marcus, you're mightier than them all. Hey, 1/10 and a small box lad. Emmanuel mightier than them. Oh Lord have mercy. And I've seen a doomsday. You know see it, I told them gone broke neck speed for the wealth. It now go help you much less feel them. Every day no fall, say money is the problem. Say I see I bury them alive and them slandering. Some gone look for it blind and them ignoring. See them no one that job mule just gone in. To every ghetto you this is a warning. Till the sign know, do some farming. Poverty is on the rise and ignorance is so alarming them. Them no yam from morning. Try keep your night. Put up your tapaling, oh no. You know see it, say that thing I'm mightier than them all. And whosoever find the king shall fall. Emmanuel mightier than them. Boy, 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 boy. Hey, Black Marcus, you're mightier than them. Lord, Lord, Lord. And I'm seeing a doomsday. Read it. And I'm seeing a doomsday. But them can't believe. And that's a Rastafari now. Them get weak in their knees. Well, if of them can't believe. My locks go and I can see it in them face now. See them way. Well, if of them can't believe. Man, that's a Rastafari now. Them get weak in their knees. Well, if of them can't believe. All Rastaman, fire them. Oh, you know vex them, vex and just surprise them. Get with your life. Hey, the Rasta still never. Look, see everything you say, man, run on them hide. Rasta still never. You see the big man, I make a child. In a me robe and me turban. And the slanders. Hey, I sense it on me mouth. Now go let me move. Black and lamb, man, a vegetarian. Me now go yam now, me pep and chop the from the land. All part of your mouth with your color pigmentation. You know see, say I'm mightier than them. Black Marcus, you're mightier than them. Oh Lord have mercy. Hey, Emmanuel mightier than them. Lord, Lord. Yes, I've seen a doomsday. Rastaman, you see a doomsday.
Lutan Fyah, the Spanish Town native, known for songs such as St. Diego de la Vega and also No Peace in Spanish Town. And he has several other songs on his repertoire. Lutan Fyah still continues to be a driving force in the reggae music worldwide.
I'm a ganja smoker, yes. Boy, 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 boy. Yes, I get a boom shot herb some west. Crocus bag of weed and the eye blaze from split tail together. As early as my weight neighbor long up them nose. Aroma was great. Cross the fence, I said them will want a taste. In a my kitchen, coconut boil down to custard. I got sense of me in your free breakfast. So me know that calabash in the neighbor. Yes, nothing that nice like a split tail. Early in the morning, I be split tail. Yes, nothing that nice like a split tail. Say this a Rasta smoke a lot. Can't get enough of the weed. Me over frost. Vitalist make out a coconut. The Westman and Green, the loud shot. See the Rasta leper. From the studio and the Californian green grow under love. After me feel a split tail to sleep me chop. In the morning me wake. In a my kitchen, coconut boil down to custard. I got sense of me in your free breakfast. So me know the calabash in me neighbor. Oh yes, nothing that nice like a split tail. Early in the morning you be split tail. Yes, nothing that nice like a split tail. Early in the morning. In the morning.
Lutan Fyah as voice for producers such as Sly and Robbie, Eiley Dread, Primetime Music is just to name a few of the producers. He has his own label, it's called the Old Capital, which signifies Spanish Town.
Definitely beautiful, slim and trim. I stepped up to her and offered her a drink. She looked up in my face and winked. Then she took a shot around the and light up a stick. Bartender kill the shit, but me no vex about it. Select a touchy beers and play two berries. Same time, I feel like skank to the reggae music. Lord, Lord. I feel like grooving. I'm a groove to the reggae music. Come on and skank with me, baby. I'm gonna make you mine if it takes all night. Lord, spend some time with me, baby. Let me love you till you can't take no more. I feel like skank to reggae music. president? Who will be the quick fix? Who will nail him to the crucifix? Who's back and there to stay? Who dream their life away? Who learn tomorrow from today? Yes, Lord, in a perfect storm, Rastaman I bring a perfect storm. Lord, perfect storm. Now your big is a perfect storm. Yeah, yeah. Perfect storm. Rastaman I say a perfect storm. Pretty rebel boy, perfect storm. No, no, it's a perfect storm. In a perfect storm. Perfect storm. 21st century perfect storm. Yeah, yeah. Perfect storm. Yeah. Selassie. Perfect storm. Yeah. Yeah. Murderous time. This a Lutan Fyah. Alongside the rhythm rebel, yes. Alright, alright, alright. You know, see it. Me need a little piece of food. We go mash our works. What make it rather worse? The partner with me through the bank or rob the purse. Just know it hurts, so hurt. Some boss man, give me where me come from. Some feet around the bush. You know see me frustrated and the youth are dead for hunger. And it no stay like how we look. Some boss man, give me where me come from. Some feet around the bush. You know see me frustrated and the youth are dead for hunger. And it no stay like. Say me now stretch me and so me no hand out, me no come here fit out. You know she say this and out. The youths them need food to them out. Too much hungry belly picking in them out. Me tell them serious, I want the right amount. You boss man, give me my mass man. And you get my pass man. Stop treat the youths like half man. And who you want so often. You boss man, give me where me come from. Some beat around the bush. You know see me frustrated and the youths are dead for younger. And it no stay like how we look. Some boss man, give me where me come from. Some beat around the bush. You know see me frustrated, man frustrated. Lord, sure. So them treat me but then make it rough. No doubt from my pocket, so them style me as scruff. One time me feel wasted, but me still keep it conscious. Dirty tough me now bluff, and the riches me a run down me no red eye for things. And one thing me know, me bounce up and real well. Sick and tired that they get to struggling. Money time, yes, money time. So boss man, give me where me come from. Some feet around the bush. You know see me frustrated and the youths are dead for your guy. You boss man, give me where me come from. Some feet around the bush. You know see me frustrated and the youths are dead for your guy. You boss man, he's a dirty bastard. What yeah, Lord, Lord. Boss man, give me where me come from. Stomp feet around the bush. You know see me frustrated and the youths are dead for younger. And it no stay like how we look. You boss man, give me where me come from. Stomp feet around the bush. You know see me frustrated, Lord. Say me now stretch me hands out for no hand out. Me no come here fit out. You know she say this and out. The youths them need food to them out. Too much hungry belly picking in them out. Me tell you this serious, I want the right amount. You boss man, give me my mass man. And you get my cross man. Stop treat the youths like half man. Who you want show off man. Man now walk line, now who you back from. Boss man, give me where me come from. Stop beat around the bush. Yeah. Bob Marley by you, me read here, sir. Me no read Jay-Z by you, me read Bob Marley by you. Yes! Yeah, yeah, whoa, yes. Hey, say don't be ungrateful. That love for you is kind. Yeah, yeah. Live and be faithful. Get this in your mind. Then alright, don't be ungrateful. That love for you is kind. Boy, boy. And even though man shall it in a test of time, walk straight. Hey, me say nothing don't come easy. Life is unpredictable. You better secure yourself before you get in a trouble. Accumulate a well, go do your flat foot hustle and it. Camel and go cut through the needle. Every day you're working hard and sometimes you fail. Remember, failure is a way to prevail. Hey, keep on striving and conquer your fear. Oh, yo, don't be ungrateful. That love for you is kind. Live and be faithful. Get this in your mind. Then alright, don't be ungrateful. That love for you is kind. Boy, even though man shall it, boy, even though man shall it. Man is not pretty out there. In everything just improvise. Give thanks to the liquid that provide. Take what is rightfully yours, we don't compromise. This world is full of tricks and crime. And what no concern you, just leave it. And what is for Caesar, make him keep it. Your skills and your talent is your best kept secret. So don't be ungrateful. That love for you is kind. Live and be faithful. Get this in your mind. Don't be ungrateful. That love for you is kind. Lord, Lord, even though my child is in a test of time. Yo! Oh, yo, 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 yo. My child is in a test of time. So don't be ungrateful. Yo! My child is in a test of time. Life and the wonderful blessing that he bring to I. Selassie I in the midst of a mix of fire, most high. And I won't forget where I'm coming from, what I'm standing for. Man a rasta for your reason and for rounds I care. No music jet that me no bout fi every year. No matter how them take it I a star. Whoa, whoa. Say man a defend, say man a defend. Defend and ya defend it on. Lord. Say man a defend, Rasta man say me go bounce go down round. Yo, say man a defend, defend and ya defend it on. Lord, 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 say man a defend.
I am Music Phil and this has been Yardstyle Live Presents.